Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Now if you ever seen me do these videos, you seen the behind the scenes, you know this is like take 20. What be the problem? First of all, I be trying to make all my videos nice and short and sweet, and then next thing you know, I've been talking for 30 minutes. So, we are starting, when I say we, I mean me and whoever wants to join, a healthy hair challenge for 2022. It starts January 1st. And what that means is we are going to try to put some things in place so that we can reach our hair goals and we can try to have the healthiest hair possible. So I'm going to try to stay on track so we can keep this video nice, short, and sweet. Step number 1 to this healthy hair challenge: download and purchase 4 Steps to Healthy Hair. It's only $5 because I want everybody to be able to join. So I dropped the price from $35 to $5. Side note, my whole website is on sale, but $5. Get that. Trust me, you're gonna need it, because I made healthy hair very much easy, because I'm very much lazy and I need very much easy things when it comes to my hair, because I just don't have all day. I mean, I do, but I don't. Y'all know how it go. So that's step number 1. Now the point of this challenge again is to get your hair as healthy as possible. You want long hair, you want thicker hair, you want healthy hair, whatever the goal is, our goal is to reach that goal. So, let me try to do this efficiently. The steps of this challenge is to decide your goal, determine any issues you have, create a plan, and that's that. That's the steps. So, let me try to dig into that a little bit deeper without talking too much. Pause. Alright, so step number 1. Determine your goal. Is your goal for longer hair, healthier hair, thicker hair, just overall healthy hair? Not everybody want long hair, not everybody want thick hair, they just want their hair to be healthy. So these are the questions. I got my answers. So when trying to determine, why is the lighting changing? Why are you making me yellow or orange? When trying to determine your goal, these are the questions you want to ask. What is your overall goal? What are your current issues? Are you taking any vitamins? And I'm going to try to put this, I might put it on my website, but I know I'm going to put it on my Instagram, Madame Blue Stylist, in the highlights. What products do you currently use? When was your last trim? What are your current hairstyles? You like to do weaves, silk press, braids, ponytails, buns. Like, what are your current hairstyles? Do you have a hairstyle? Are you relaxed or are you natural? Are you chemically treated, or do you have virgin hair? So, like for me, let me give y'all an example. My plan is my goal is long hair, healthy hair, to retain length, no breakage, growth in the middle, because the middle of my hair is my problem area, no dandruff. My issues are thin edges. Before I knew better, I was trifling. We all done been there. We all done been there. Just braiding all that. Like, why are you trying to braid that, madam? Child. Short in the middle, always. Breakage in the middle, always. Lots of dandruff. Stressful. And lots of itching, especially in the middle. The middle of my head is stress. It be itching, it be breaking, it be doing, let's just say I always end up with a mullet. The back of my hair grow long, the hair is all wavy. The middle of my hair be all shrunken up. I just be like, anywho, I'm not taking any vitamins consistently. And my products vary. I have certain brands that I stick with, and then when I'm gonna get to that later. My products vary. My last trim was November. My current hairstyles is wash and go, wigs, straight backs, crochets, and 2-strand twists. So, we determine our goal. Okay? So the reason that I want to do this challenge is to, one, my whole focus with hair and women, especially black women, is to create knowledge within the black community, real knowledge. Because if one person tell me they bald head and nappy head and their hair is just silky as it want to be, I'm going to just be like, you don't have kinky hair. You don't have coarse hair. Coarse is a texture. Your texture is fine. Just because your hair is fuzzy or frizzy, because it's curly, does not mean it's coarse. So my goal is to create education within the black community, and for us to be appreciative of our hair, to love our hair, and just to be like, yeah, my hair is bomb, no matter how it comes. Look, frizzy and all. I've been like this for 2 days. But this is my natural hair, and you're just going to have to deal with it. If you don't like it, I'm not going to have no slick, sleek, shiny hair. That's not my curl pattern. My texture is fine, but my curls are very curly, frizzy. This what it is, fam. And that's okay. So that's the reason for this challenge, to have healthy hair, to have a love and appreciation for our hair, and to increase our knowledge. Because we gotta stop saying the wrong things, okay? Pause. I think I'm doing much better because that footage I just deleted, it was like over 30 minutes. I'm like, man, damn, ain't nobody got time. So, the length of the plan or the challenge is 12 months. This is all for 2022. And let me just talk about healthy hair in general. Your hair is going to be the healthiest if you are the healthiest. Let's just start there. You are what you eat. Like this issue I'm having with the dandruff, there's some type of imbalance. There's something that my body is like, fam, we don't like this, and we're going to act out in this way. So you need to figure out, if you're really trying to be healthy, you're going to have to make some changes. Maybe not eat cheeseburgers every day. I don't know. Maybe not eat cake and ice cream every day. I don't know. Yes, I'm talking to myself. Vitamins absolutely can help, but there's certain ingredients you need for hair growth and healthy hair. They're in the ebook, and there's certain foods that those ingredients come in naturally. Excuse me. So if you have a well-balanced diet, then more than likely you already have the nutrients you have for your hair, nails, and skin to be the healthiest. If not, then you can take supplements like vitamins, but you have to do a little bit of research. You need to know you need to know how these ingredients absorb in the body. So for example, let me just use, I guess, like vitamin D, for example. Child, I might not be wanting to use vitamin D. Let's just say vitamin C comes in, I think it's vitamin C. Let's just say vitamin C comes in form A and form B. Form A, it absorbs well. It does what it's supposed to do. It's the right kind. Form B, it's like a generic version. It really ain't gonna do nothing for your body. So the pills you take got the vitamin C, B in it. And it's like, okay, well, this is the generic kind. It really don't do that, so this really not gonna do this for my head. You wanna look for the one that has the right kind, that's gonna absorb in the body well, the right kind. So you gotta do a little bit of research if you're really trying to be as healthy as possible. Like the vitamins that I have, I used to take a women's vitamin, but now I just started taking vitamins on things I was deficient in, and I looked up which form of that ingredient or that vitamin is needed for the body, and then I got that. So I have, like, I don't be taking them, but I have like zinc, I have iron for something different. I have vitamin D, I have something else I forgot about. So if it comes to vitamins, you can take a women's vitamin. I would say look for one that is as natural as possible. The vitamin should only have the ingredients of the vitamins, and then whatever is needed to form that capsule or that vitamin or whatever. You can even do liquid vitamins. It should just be that ingredient. I'm trying to make this video short and sweet, so if you have follow-up questions, just reach out to me. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna answer any questions that's already in my ebook or on my YouTube. I'm gonna just give you the link, because you guys, I've created these things for you guys and for your viewing and reading pleasure. So, okay, let me get back on track. Overall health, you want to drink a lot of water, okay? If you're gonna be drinking Kool-Aid every day, why would I say Kool-Aid? You're gonna be drinking sugary products all day, I mean, your scalp might be messing up, who knows? If you're gonna be, like I said, you are what you eat. So when you're thinking about trying to have the healthiest hair possible, think about trying to be the healthiest possible overall. You're gonna get the best results that way. Now, creating your plan. I also created this calendar. Now, it's a 2022 calendar, so you can use it for anything. It's on my website. It's available for $1. It's a printable calendar. I be talking so fast. This one I'm going to use. I'm the type, I need different calendars for different things. So this one specifically I'm going to use for this hair challenge. It got monthly goals, to-do list, and then like I have for the first, start challenge. Can y'all see that? Start challenge. I have for like March 31st, check progress. So every quarter it'll say check progress. So you can take a picture. Take a picture, check your length, just check the progress of your hair, whatever your hair goal may be. So for me, mapping out my hairstyles, I got, and this could change. My first hairstyle I want to do, I want it to be a 4-week hairstyle. So right now I have 2-strand twists, I'm gonna wear a wig. That could change to crochets, that could change to a sew-in, but I'm gonna keep it in for at least 4 weeks. After that, I have 1-week hairstyle. 1-week natural hairstyle. That could be wash and goes, that can be 2-strand twists, that can be mini twists, that can be a bun. I have that for the next 3 weeks. A 1-week hairstyle. And then my next hairstyle is a wig. I can choose to sew on my wig and wear it as a sew-in, or I can do the wig that I snap on and snap off and have twists underneath. And the hairstyles, when I do hairstyles, one thing I do not like to do is back-to-back tension hairstyles. So even though I wear wigs a lot, I don't braid my hair under my wigs all the time. I hardly ever braid my hair because I hate blow drying my hair. I'm not against the blow dryer, but I'm lazy. To me, it's easier to do my hair natural. If I have to sit here and blow dry my hair, to me it's too much work. I'd rather just do a bun on wet hair, or do 2-strand twists on wet hair, or braids on wet hair. Like single plait braids, like if I'm doing a braid out or something like that. That's my preference. So a lot of times I do 2-strand twists. So if I'm going to wear a sew-in, I'm not about to wear a sew-in. You cannot do that. We got to switch it up. Get creative with your hairstyle. There's 1,000,005 hairstyles. If you want the healthiest hair possible, you cannot do a silk press every 2 weeks, every week, every month. I don't care what nobody say. That's too much heat. Okay? You can't do a ponytails every day. I can't do a ponytail every day. I'm going to pull my edges back. I'm going to break off. I'm going to have breakage where the ponytail is. So be creative with your hairstyles. Be, like, switch it up. If you're not going to go to a hairstylist, that's totally fine. Because we should all be capable of doing our own hair. Or at least like the shampoo and the conditioning and something simple. Buns are simple. Just try. If you don't have a hairstylist, just try to do your part. Okay? I don't have a hairstylist now because I'm new to the city. I don't know nobody. I went to the same person in Arizona. My entire adult life, I've been to 4 hairstylists. Since I was 12, I've been to 4 hairstylists. 2 real ones and 2 I just needed something that my other hairstylist couldn't do. So find you a good hairstylist that you love and trust, whose goal is healthy hair. And when you can't go to them, do your part in between. Keep up on your trims. Y'all let them split ends go. Let them go. They don't help you. They don't do nothing for you. So that's it. Pause. So that's it. Let's recap. I hope I didn't talk too much. Child, can I do this again? Healthy hair challenge starting January 1st. The goal is whatever your healthy hair goal is. Long hair, thick hair. Reduce on breakage, grow back your edges. Whatever your goal is your goal. Determine your goal, come up with a plan. The questions that you should answer, I will have on my Instagram, Madab Bullet Stylist. Get the ebook to help educate you on how easy it is to have healthy hair. And then just try to do your best of reaching your goals and being consistent. Yeah. I'm just trying to be consistent. Because I'm going to start something and not finish. One thing's for certain, 2 things for sure. I'm going to start something and not finish it. Because my brain be just... So yeah, that's it. I hope that made sense. I hope you guys all join me because I want us all to have healthy hair. I'm so tired of black women having negative thoughts when it comes to their hair, or just... We ain't doing that. We are not doing that, okay? And I'm tired of the misinformation that's out there in these streets. We're not doing that anymore. So reach out to the kid if y'all need help. Oh, I was supposed to say something about products. I cannot give product recommendations. Your shampoo is a cleanser. It's needed to cleanse your hair. You should look for something that has nice quality products. The first ingredient should be water. The next ingredient should be a cleanser. Maybe the second or third ingredient should be a cleanser. If it's not a sulfate, it's still a cleanser. I'm not anti-sulfates. If you want to do sulfate free, that's totally fine. You still gonna have a cleanser in there. We need to cleanse our hair. Do not co-wash your hair. I am anti-co-wash. It's pointless. We're not doing that. And if y'all have additional questions, I'm trying to make this video short. If you want to know why I'm against it, just ask me. I'll let you know. I'm against oils. I'm against shea butter based products. Conditioners. Whatever your goal is for conditioners, that's how you choose your conditioners. If you need moisture and hydration, you do that. If you have chemically treated hair, you need to look for products that are rich in protein. Every single person should get Olaplex, especially if you're chemically treated. If you have chemicals on your hair, you need to get Olaplex. If you have a hairstylist or a friend with a license, hopefully they'll love you and you can get it for the wholesale price. Olaplex is $28. I think that's universal. It's $28 retail. So Olaplex is great, especially if you have chemicals. But I can't give no product recommendations. I use a certain brand. I love Design Essentials. I use Design Essentials. I use Shop Sleek Pro. I use 1212. That's what I've been using regularly. If you have issues like dandruff, you need to see a dermatologist. It could be product buildup. It could be dandruff. It could be psoriasis. It could be eczema. It could be so many things. If it's something that's sticking to your scalp, that's a little something else. That could be from product buildup, or it could be something you need a medicated shampoo for. I have a medicated shampoo for my dandruff. So you can use dandruff products. So I have a whole video on dandruff on my YouTube, and I talk about dandruff in my ebook. So hopefully I made sense, y'all. I hope y'all join me on this challenge to try to reach your healthy hair goals, and we can do it. We can have nice, great hair, and we can be educated about our hair, and we can have positive thoughts about our hair. We can love our hair, and you know, we can be out here just right. Okay, don't let them tell y'all that black girls. We're not gonna talk about that because I can go off. Okay, but yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and TTYL.